NEET 2018 Set HH question number 80. A small sphere of radius r falls from rest in a viscous liquid. As a result, heat is produced due to the viscous force. The rate of action of heat when the sphere attains its terminal velocity is proportional to. So, r is the radius of the small sphere and Vt, let's say, is the terminal velocity. Now, power is the rate of production of heat, which is equal to F into Vt, which is equation number 1. Now, from Stokes' formula, F is 6 pi neta into Vt into R, which is equation number 2. So, let's put in the value of F in equation number 1 and we get P is equal to 6 pi neta R into Vt square, which is equation number 3. Now, we know that the terminal velocity Vt is equal to 2r square into rho minus sigma upon 9 neta, which gives us Vt is directly proportional to r square, which is equation number 4. Now, from equation number 3 and equation number 4, we can deduce that P will be directly proportional to r to the power of 5. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 1.